Imagine you're about to start an important live stream or prepare to create an eye-catching video. A good screen recording tool is essential for these situations. In the field of screen recording, both FocuSee and Screen Studio are highly regarded tools. Today we are diving into the world of screen recording with an epic showdown between the two powerful tools, FocuSee and Screen Studio. First, let's take a quick look at Screen Studio. Screen Studio is a well-known software in the field of screen recording, specifically designed for macOS system users. It can assist users in recording various screen contents and has relatively rich functions. However, for creators with limited budgets, the relatively high price of Screen Studio may make them hesitate before purchasing. Now let's shift our focus to the FocuSee. FocuSee can be regarded as a game changer in screen recording. Besides its high quality and convenient screen recording functions, it can automatically execute the post-production process of screen recording, enabling people without editing skills to create amazing videos. It includes features like automatically following the mouse cursor, creating cool zoom-in effects and nice backgrounds, and so on. What's more, it is compatible with both systems and has an affordable price. Now, let's put these two contenders head-to-head. 1. Compatibility. FocuSee is a versatile option. Whether you're a die-hard Windows fan or a Mac user, you can use it without any issues. However, Screen Studio is only available for macOS devices. This limited compatibility means Windows users can't use it. 2. Price. The lifetime license of FocuSee only costs $69.99 and includes lifetime update services. Once you make the payment, you don't have to worry about future updates. In contrast, the lifetime version of Screen Studio is priced at $229 and only includes 1-year update services, which is relatively expensive. Therefore, for those with limited budgets, especially individual developers or small teams, FocuSee is clearly more attractive. 3. User experience. When you use Screen Studio, although its operation interface is quite aesthetically pleasing, new users still need to spend a fair amount of time and effort getting familiar with it. In comparison, the user-friendly interface of FocuSee indeed provides a better user experience. 4. Customization options. In terms of customization options, FocuSee and Screen Studio share many similar functions, such as transition effects, camera settings, mouse settings, and video effects. However, unlike Screen Studio, when you use FocuSee for screen recording and editing, you can even customize the webcam layout, add borders and filters, add click effects and sounds to the mouse, and add spotlight effects to your video. This can meet your diverse requirements. 5. Export and share. When you use Screen Studio, you can perform basic video editing on your videos, but you need to buy a membership to export them. However, when using FocuSee, not only can you export videos for free during the trial period, but you can also set preset sizes for social media platforms, features that Screen Studio doesn't have. Now, I believe you've gained a certain understanding of the differences between FocuSee and Screen Studio. Let's focus on the advantages of FocuSee together. When you open FocuSee in the popped-up window, you'll notice that FocuSee thoughtfully offers us 3 recording modes: full screen, custom, and window. At the same time, you can configure the system audio or microphone settings here. Next, let's take the custom mode as an example. You can click this button to start the recording, and after a 3-second countdown, the recording will commence officially. During the recording process, FocuSee provides functions like restart, delete, and pause to meet the various requirements you may have while recording. Once you've finished recording, FocuSee will automatically transform it into an impressive and professional quality product video. Additionally, you'll find a rich array of built-in video editing tools here to assist you in creating high-level videos. Here, you can adjust the mouse size, cursor style, click sound, camera settings, and so on. Let's take a closer look. Firstly, regarding the video beautification aspect, multiple size options are available for you to select from, which is convenient for sharing on various social media platforms. You can even customize the video size according to your preferences. Moreover, if you're not satisfied with the video background, FocuSee also supports a one-click background replacement. Next are the cursor settings. You can modify the size and style of the cursor, click effects, and even sound effects here. In particular, the mouse click effects feature, which Screen Studio doesn't even have, can help enhance understanding and keep viewers actively involved. Then, for the motion blur settings, whether it's zoom-in motion blur, screen motion blur, or cursor motion blur, this effect can be applied to give the video a stronger visual impact and a sense of immersion. Furthermore, FocuSee enables you to flexibly automatically adjust the camera effect and add captions and watermarks as required. Even more astonishingly, as you can observe on the right-hand side of the screen, the video has automatically generated a zoom-in effect for mouse clicks. However, if you don't need it, you can delete it on the track after the recording is finished, or make adjustments. Of course, basic editing operations on the track can also be performed. After completing these adjustments, we can export the produced video. You can export the video in high quality, such as 4K 60 FPS, or even opt to export it as a GIF. Overall, FocuSee demonstrates a deep understanding of users' needs in every detail. It offers a more affordable price, dual system compatibility, diverse recording modes, powerful video editing functions, and rich customization options. In contrast, Screen Studio falls a bit short, especially since its price increase has caused dissatisfaction among many consumers. If you're looking for software that is comprehensive in functions, easy to operate and offers high cost effectiveness, then FocuSee is undoubtedly the best alternative to Screen Studio. It will bring you a more efficient and high-quality user experience. Why not download it and give it a try right away to start a new creative journey? Thanks for watching. It is said that those who like it after watching this video will be luckier in 2025. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment.